Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel Wasim Tech. This is the first video I post in English out of a series of English videos that I will post in the future. In this video, I will speak about the solution to three major problems that many of us encounter at the level of the desktop in our computers. The first problem is the inability to move the icons in the desktop to another place, to another direction. For example, if we want to move this icon to another place, we do not succeed and the icon stucks always in its place. Also, we can't move any folder to any place, as you can see. The solution to this problem is very easy. The second problem is that the toolbar moves like this to another place, to another direction, because of kids messing around with the computer or because of our inattention. It moves to the right or to the top or to the left. The solution to this problem is very easy too. The third major problem is that sometimes because of children or our inattention, the screen goes upside down like this or like this, but we don't know how to fix this problem. As I have said, the solution to these problems are very easy. I will now put back the screen to its normal position like this. Then, the first problem, the solution is very easy. As I have said, we put the cursor on the screen, then click on the right button of the mouse, then come here to View, then to Auto Arrange Icons. As you can see, it's activated. Then you have to disable it in order to manage to move the icons or the folders to any place we want. Now, the solution to the second problem. We have two methods to resolve this problem. The first is that we put the cursor on the toolbar, then click on the right button of the mouse like this, and then click on Properties. As you can see, we have here directions. We have bottom, left, right, top. In order to move this toolbar to right, for example, we click on right, then click on OK. The same thing if we want to move it from here to the top, we put the cursor on the toolbar, then click on the right button of the mouse, then on Properties, then here click on Top, then on OK. As you can see, the toolbar moved to the top. The second method is the easiest and the practical. We just put the cursor here and drag the toolbar to the direction we want. For example, we drag it to the right like this, or drag it to the bottom like this, or to the left like this. I will drag it back to the bottom. Now, the third problem. The solution to the third problem is very easy too. When the screen goes upside down like this or like this, we press the Ctrl and Alt keys at the same time on the keyboard and use the up, left, right and down arrow directions to put the screen in any position, like this for example, or like this. And in order to put it in its natural position, we press Ctrl Alt at the same time and the arrow up. I hope that this video is useful for you and I was helpful, and if this is the first time you came across this channel, please subscribe and thumb down the bell to receive the notifications of the videos that I will post in English in the future. See you in the next video. Goodbye for now and thank you for watching.